Hey, so, all this week it was raining on and off. It rained for like 5 days straight, and I think we also had some mixed precipitation. But today, which is Friday, it's sunny, and this is probably the only sunny day we're gonna have. For another few days because there's more rain on the way and we're also supposed to get some snow. And I'm also off school for the next 5 days because of Martin Luther King Day, and then the teachers at all the schools in my county have these meetings or something the next 2 days. So this is the only sunny day between about 5 or 6 rainy and snowy days in a row. So that's it.